Today, I am a magnet for success and prosperity at work. My actions at work bring me closer to my financial goals. I am confident in my ability to create wealth through my career. Every task I undertake is a step towards greater success. I attract lucrative opportunities and financial rewards in my job. My work environment is a space of productivity and prosperity. I am respected and valued in my workplace. I bring innovation and creativity to my work, enhancing my financial success. Every challenge at work is an opportunity for growth and wealth. I am a natural leader, and my leadership brings financial rewards. My decisions at work lead to prosperous outcomes. I am motivated and energized to achieve great things today. My hard work and dedication are noticed and rewarded. I am focused on tasks that increase my wealth and success. Positive opportunities gravitate towards me in my career. I am a problem solver. Every solution increases my value and wealth. I am in control of my financial future and my career path. My professional skills are constantly improving and bringing me wealth. I am an asset to my team and contribute to our collective success. My workplace is a breeding ground for prosperity. Each workday brings me new opportunities to increase my wealth. I am surrounded by colleagues who inspire and motivate me. I handle business challenges with grace and intelligence. My career path is paved with opportunities for financial growth. I am thankful for the financial opportunities my job presents. Every day at work, I am closer to achieving my financial dreams. My professional success reflects in my financial prosperity. I am making valuable contributions to my field. My efforts are recognized and well compensated. I am building a career that brings me financial abundance. I am constantly attracting new avenues for income and success. My work fulfills me and enriches me financially. I am a beacon of innovation and prosperity in my workplace. Each project I work on increases my financial success. I am energized by challenges and opportunities at work. I have a wealth mindset that transforms every work task into success. My professional growth is a testament to my financial success. I excel in all my work endeavors, leading to financial abundance. I am a valuable member of my team, contributing to our financial success. Success and wealth are natural outcomes of my work. I am in perfect alignment with my career goals and financial aspiration. My work is a reflection of my passion for prosperity. Every workday is filled with opportunities for wealth and success. My talents and skills are constantly attracting wealth. I am always open to new ways to increase my income through work. My work-life balance contributes to my overall wealth. I am committed to professional growth and financial success. My daily work tasks are stepping stones to greater wealth. I create prosperity through my dedication and hard work. My career trajectory is consistently upward and financially rewarding. I possess a unique blend of skills that attracts wealth and success. I am motivated by my goals for financial abundance in my career. Every moment at work is an opportunity to advance my financial well-being. Thank you